Understanding and following traffic regulations are vital for several reasons, crucially impacting safety, efficiency, and legality. Here are the core values of adhering to these rules. 1. Safety. The primary aim of traffic regulations is to ensure the safety of all road users, drivers, passengers, pedestrians, and cyclists. By understanding and following rules such as speed limits, stop signs, and traffic signals, individuals significantly reduce the risk of accidents and fatalities. 2. Efficiency. Traffic laws are designed to improve the flow of vehicles on roads. Rules like lane discipline and roundabout etiquette help in reducing traffic congestion, ensuring that traffic moves smoothly and efficiently. 3. Legal compliance. Adherence to traffic laws is a legal requirement. Violating these laws can result in penalties ranging from fines to imprisonment, depending on the severity of the infraction. Understanding and following these rules helps individuals avoid legal troubles. 4. Reduction in traffic-related stress. When drivers adhere to traffic rules, it reduces instances of road rage and stress associated with erratic driving behavior. This creates a more predictable and less stressful driving environment for everyone. 5. Economic benefits. Following traffic regulations also has economic benefits. It reduces costs related to road accidents such as healthcare costs for injuries, property damage repairs, and insurance premiums. 6. Environmentally friendly. Efficient flow of traffic means less idling and stop-and-go scenarios that can increase fuel consumption and emissions. In this way, obeying traffic laws can contribute to lesser environmental impact. 7. Respect for others' rights. Following traffic regulations shows a respect for the rights of others to use roadways safely and without undue delay or hazard. 8. Personal responsibility. Recognizing that one's actions on the road affect not just oneself but also others reinforces personal responsibility towards community welfare. In summary, understanding and adhering to traffic regulations encapsulate respecting individual responsibilities towards safety, legality, efficiency on roads while ensuring a harmonious coexistence within public spaces dedicated to mobility.